let's compare two products without actually multiplying them out. The question is, which one is bigger, 123 times 197, or 124 times 196? At first glance, they look super close, right? So how do we figure it out? Let's try two ways. First, the number trick. Let's rewrite them. For the first one, 197 is just 196 plus 1. So the first product becomes 123 times 196, plus 123. The second one, 124 times 196, can be written as 123 times 196, plus 196. Now notice, both of them share the big piece, 123 times 196. So all we need to do is compare the leftovers. One has plus 123, and the other has plus 196. Which is bigger? Yes, 196. So the second product wins. Second, let's picture it. Think of multiplication as the area of a rectangle. The first rectangle has width 123 and height 197. The second rectangle has width 124 and height 196. They overlap in a big common part. What's different are the skinny strips. The first rectangle has a strip that's 1 by 123, while the second rectangle has a strip that's 1 by 196. Which strip is bigger? Of course, the 1 by 196. So again, the second rectangle, and therefore the second product, is larger. And here's a cool fact to remember. If you take two numbers with the same total, their product gets bigger when the numbers are closer together. The product is the largest when the two numbers are equal,